Hey everyone, just wanted to wish everybody a happy Memorial Day. Uh, don't forget to thank your veterans and also the family members of loved ones that they've lost. And in the spirit of Memorial Day, check out the Warveterans channel. Excellent channel. He's got a lot of great stories of veterans of foreign war. Especially check out videos from Sam Antonio, and he's a great storyteller. Tells stories of the World War II and other veterans. He's doing a great service with his channel and capturing the stories. A lot of the World War II veterans are getting real old now, and it's kind of a shame, but um, at least their stories are captured. So check out the War Veterans channel. I'll put a link in the description. So, like I said, happy Memorial Day. Let's get on with the contest. It went really well. I'd like to give special thanks to Jeff over at Cutlery Lover. He really helped out a lot in organizing this contest. Gave me some good tips. I don't know how he does it with like 1,000 entries, but even with just 88 entries, it was pretty difficult. So we got all the entries listed, 1 through 88, and like I said, we'll do the random number generator here. I got it already listed, 1 to 88. No fanfare, so here we go. Number 13. Number 13 is practical skills. Congrats. He's got some good videos. Awesome song. Love this song. Practical skills. So I'll be sending you a PM, letting you know that you won. Thanks everyone for checking out all the channels in my subscriptions, and I'll be doing more contests. Look forward to it. And again, happy Memorial Day to everyone. Congratulations, practical skills.